Hello, friends and neighbors, and thanks for watching my spring 2025 market update. Well, so far this year, real estate is hopping. I am so pleased to say that we are having a lot more activity in sales and listings compared to the last 2 years. Now, we are still feeling a little bit of turmoil from uncertainty in the economy, but that has not stopped buyers from coming out. And we are actually starting to see multiple offers again and really busy open houses. Hopefully that is a sign that 2025 is our rebound year. We have been super busy entertaining our new clients and existing clients with a really successful home buyer happy hour explaining the first time home buyer process, where we had over 30 new buyers come and join us to learn about how to buy a home in 2025. And so we invite you to please come and join us again on April 10th. We are doing the same thing. If you'd like more information, please just say the word and we would love to have you join us. Also, Carey Hughes Homes has our annual Easter egg hunt coming up on the Saturday before Easter on the 19th of April. And right after that, on the 26th of April, we have our annual dumpster day in the Murrayhill area. So we are here to support our community and we are grateful for the opportunity to serve. If you have any real estate needs, please just let us know, and we are absolutely happy to advise and share information at all times. Thank you.